Okay, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video we're gonna be talking about the significant downtrend that is awaiting Bitcoin right here. Like Bitcoin is having a downtrend. It's a downtrend down here. It's a downtrend, and this downtrend is going to be taking Bitcoin as low as 19,000. Hey guys, and let me tell you guys this: if Bitcoin doesn't come down to 19k, I do not advise anybody opening any long position. I do not advise anybody opening any long position. Though I'm on a long position, but I have my target. Once it click there, I'm going out and I'm shorting the market down again. So I do not advise anybody going on a long position. Upon that, we'll be talking about the Bitcoin gap. There's a very long gap, guys. If Bitcoin should obey the chart and come down to 19k, we'll be seeing Bitcoin back to 25k in no time. We'll be seeing Bitcoin back to 25k in no time. This is not just a mere talk. We'll be seeing Bitcoin back to 25k in no time. Let me show you guys the gap that Bitcoin has left, that Bitcoin has to cover up. So guys, if you take a very close look, you see the gap Bitcoin has left. For those of us who trade the market regularly, you know what this gap is all about. And if Bitcoin do not fill up this gap, that means the trade is not going to go on where the downtrend is not going to be successful. Bitcoin has to fill on this gap here for the downtrend to be successful. So in no time, if Bitcoin doesn't go, that means Bitcoin will be coming back to 20,000, because this gap has to be filled up. If you know what that means, if you've been trading, it means there was no trade within this time of 20,400 down to 19,800. There was no relevant trade that would have gapped up the market. That means that is the more reason why Bitcoin is not coming down to 19k. This gap has to be covered up in 2 to 3 days time. This gap has to be covered up. That means Bitcoin should be coming back to 20,400 or 20,500. That's my target before there will be another downtrend again. It's possible Bitcoin will be coming down. This gap has to be filled up, and then Bitcoin will drop down again to our target. Bitcoin will drop down again to our target. The gap has to be filled up. If this gap is not filled up, if this gap right here is not filled up to this place, Bitcoin might not come down to 19k. 19k, our target will not be fulfilled if Bitcoin doesn't fill up this gap right here. And if Bitcoin should fill up that gap, another target again will be up here. Bitcoin should fill up that gap for us. Another target again will be up here at 20,000. At 21,800, another gap will be up here again before we'll be having our uptrend that will take Bitcoin to 24,000. Before there might be another breakdown again here before the market might shoot up and then take Bitcoin to 29k. But before September, we believe so much that all this analysis should be playing out before September. That's what I believe. All this analysis should be playing out before September. All this analysis should be playing out before September. So guys, let's take a look at the market cap. A lot of money has left the market so much. Like a lot of money have left the market so much. So guys, do well to leave a thumb up on the video. Let us know where we are lacking behind, and at the same time leave a comment and use our link. Bygate is still on their promo. Bybit is still on their promo. My long position is currently on Binance. Binance is still giving out $100 for future traders. It's a smart way to trade. With $100, I believe you can grow it to any amount you wish. All you have to do is consistency and lower your greed for the market. So guys, this is the daily time frame. I believe Bitcoin should be touching this our yellow line right here in no time. Bitcoin should be touching our yellow line. If we need to see a massive pump, then Bitcoin has to come down to this our yellow line right here at 19,000. Bitcoin has to touch this line before there will be a massive pump, and at the same time Bitcoin has to cover up this gap of 20,400 and 20 something dollar. Bitcoin has to cover up this gap. If we are to expect a massive pump, then Bitcoin has to make sure all those gap is covered up. If not, there might be a faking or a trap, a bull trap or a bear trap. There might be any one of those in the market. So guys, before you get into the market, make sure this trend here is covered up at 20,000 400, and then Bitcoin should come down to this 19,000 target where everybody is wishing to get their own buy. So you could see at this previous low here, this previous low before this one and then before this one, so we're expecting Bitcoin to come down to this place, and if it breaks, that means we'll be having another target at 19k. We're having another target at 19k, which might correspond with this other one here, but I don't believe it will break. But Bitcoin has to come down to this 19k before there will be another massive pump in the market again. Yeah, the Bitcoin has to come down. So yeah guys, this is the market cap, and we are currently having minus 9.5 billion out of the market. We are currently on minus 9.5 billion out of the market already. For what we are having here today, we are currently having that amount of money out of the market. That is what has left the market so far. So guys, don't forget what I've said. Make sure you leave a thumb up on the video, like, share with your friends, comment on what you want us to talk more next time, and do make sure to use our Bybit link below on our bio. I'm going to be dropping it down for everybody. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.